guys, TiarraLashay here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I figured in honor of ItsMyRayeRaye and her palette being launched in Ulta and being sold in stores, I figured I would do another look using her eyeshadow palette or her eyeshadow, contour, highlighter, everything palette. Stay tuned if you're interested in seeing a look using this palette, and yeah. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do. Y'all know what to do. I know you'll subscribe if you want to. So we're just gonna go ahead and hop right into this. Let's go. I'm going to mainly focus on the eyeshadows today, just because I already did the rest of my face. But this part of the palette is awesome as well. These highlighters are extremely bomb. Like, bomb. If you need details as far as price and all that jazz regarding this palette, I'm going to leave my initial video up here so that way you can grab all of those details that I have suddenly forgotten now that I'm sitting in front of the camera. All right. First, I'm going to go in with the color, let's go in with Mousse, which is this color right here. And I'm going to be using the Morphe M501 brush to just lay that color down as a transition color. And so what I think I'm going to do this time is I'm probably doing more of like a fresh, not as dramatic look as what I did the first time. Because the first time I did, it wasn't, I mean, it was pretty dramatic. I would say it's pretty dramatic. Not something that everybody would wear or jump to. So this time my goal is to maybe create like a fresh, peachy type of look. So that's my goal. We're going to see where my hand takes me, because sometimes my hand takes me somewhere else, you know. So next I'm going to take this color Spice right here, which is a nice matte orangey type of shade. And I'm just placing this a little bit lower into the crease. Ooh, it's a nice little base going on there, you know. You know, I'm hungry and that's why I'm acting loopy. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna take this color Sunset right here and just add it to the crease too. Let's just see what we get. I'm gonna go back in with the E27 brush, not picking up any product but just using it to blend. Next, I'm going to go in with Friday, which is this color right here. It's more of a purple. We're kind of stepping into the purple family a little bit, but I'm just going to use a really fluffy brush, which is the Morphe M330 brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that color and apply it to the crease as well. Pretty. So like I said, I want to keep this look really simple, something easy that everybody can do. So I think I'm going to stop right there as far as crease colors, and I'm going to go ahead and apply a lid color. So what I'm going to do on my lid is I'm going to use this color Fairy Tale. So it's a really pretty gold. It has like little reflective, rusty looking color. Just using my finger, I'm going to pick that up and just apply that. Oh, this is a really nice peachy gold. Oh, you're pretty, real springy, real nice. And just for fun, I'm going to take Allison and just plop that right in the center of the eye. And that's, Allison is this color right here. And I think I'm just gonna take the E27 brush again and just pick up a little bit more of Spice and just run that over the crease. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take some of Connie down here, and I'm going to just create a wing, but just using shadow. So it's simple, a little bit more control with it, but you don't have to do this. It's completely up to you, because I think this is pretty alone. But if you want to add a little bit more pizzazz to it, then you can do this next step. And I'm keeping the wing on the outer portion of the eye. I am not taking it all the way in. So as you can see, it's something that's really light. I'm going to try to build up the color a little bit more. I always call this like a lazy wing. It's like you want a wing, but you don't want to dedicate yourself to the time of doing like a liquid liner wing, anything like that, you just throw some shadow on it. That's that. Not hard at all. For the lower lash line, we're just going to use the same colors that we use in the crease. And I'm going to use this Morphe M578 brush, which is just a pencil brush. I'm going to pick up mousse and just apply that color first. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Spice. Then mixing Sunset and Friday. What I'm going to do is just take some black liner, and you can do black or brown. I just have no idea where my brown liner is, so I'm using black. Brown would actually probably be a little bit more soft for the look. But I'm going to take this black liner and I'm just going to tight line my upper and lower lash line. Because I want to be extra, I do want an inner corner highlight. And so for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to go in with this highlighter right here, which is Radiant, and just apply that to the inner corner. Yes. Okay, so for my lips, I am going to use the NYX Cosmetics Suede Matte Lip Liner in the color Club Hopper, which is my fave. Then I'm going to take this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick in the color Fighter. This is my first time trying this one, so I'm hoping it's beautiful. No. It's a really pretty color. It's okay, we're gonna go with it. All right, so that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. It's my Ray. That palette is awesome. If you guys have not purchased it already, I suggest you go ahead and purchase it. If you feel like you need to see it, dip your finger in it and all that jazz before you get it, okay. You can now go to Ulta and just go ahead and purchase it as well. So she also has come out with a lip collection to go along with the palette. I have not gotten it yet, but I do plan on getting it here in the near future, maybe even today, because I have a plan to go to Ulta today. And I probably shouldn't, but that's okay. So yes, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please make sure you do. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any video suggestions, please feel free to leave it down in the comment section if you want to see anything in particular. Alrighty, I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.